Well, I would like to thank the Copper Valley Library. They provide a free access to Wi-Fi, which fortunately you can access from here in the parking lot. They don't open till 1, so when they open, I'll go in, I'll sit down at one of their tables and continue working. Anyway, I've had some questions about the van. I think many of you know we've had travel trailers for years, and about 3.5 years ago we decided to switch things up a little bit and move to a van. So what we have here, it's a Winnebago Solis PX. The PX basically means it's a little bit longer than any the other varieties they make. And if you look here at the area behind the back wheel, you'll see that on the other vans, it stops about right here. So we have probably an extra 18 inches of length. And I'll show you why that was important in just a minute. But anyway, just kind of on the outside, we've got an air conditioner. Underneath we have a generator. We've added this rack and a box that allows us to store outside equipment, power cords, leveling blocks, etc. We've got a spare tire. And going down this side, we have a ladder with a rack, and a little square black box that you see is actually a door that goes into what's called a cassette toilet. Now, let me open up the back. Perhaps the main reason we bought this specific van is because we could store our bicycles on the inside. I've got my bug netting down because you can't keep your doors open without it. But as you can see, we can put 2 bikes in, take the front wheels off, and they fit just perfectly. We've added a few extra things. I have a little shoe rack here. It does have a trailer hitch, but we're not going to tow anything with it. And then all the windows have blackout shades that are standard. The van itself is built on a Ram ProMaster chassis, which you may be familiar with. It's pretty much what the Amazon delivery guys drive. And let's step inside. Okay, let the camera adjust. So from the back, you can see exactly how the bikes mount in here. It's got a bed. It's probably the equivalent of a full size. I think it's 72 by 54, something like that. I'm about 5'8", 5'8.5", and I can stretch out across. We have storage up top above the bed on both sides. We have another little storage. This is our coffee cubby. Have a little pantry here. Our kitchen, little sink. Have a 2-burner gas stove. We have a little bit of storage here. Tremendous amount of storage under the bed. A little hard to see. And then we also have a bathroom. It does have a shower and a toilet, but the shower is a little hard to use just because it's such a small space. Facing the front, we have both the driver and passenger seats swivel around so you can face the back. We have well, we'll go up here first. Another storage area. And then up here is where I store all my clothes in different types of containers. Here we have all the controls for the various functions of the van. And we have 2 belted seats, which quite frankly aren't very comfortable. And we don't ever carry anybody with us anyway, but if we did, we could certainly belt them in. And we have this, let me get back here so you can see a little better, the swivel table. So I sit and do some of my video editing. And really, that's about it. It's highly functional. Tight space. As the famous song says, love the one you're with when you're traveling in a van like this. But it's worked out really well for us. 3 summers ago, we spent about 3.5 months in it, traveling to Nova Scotia, Newfoundland. I think I'm about 18, 19 days into this trip. Cynthia will be here in about a little over a week. And then we've got at least 2 months of travel left. So that's our method of travel these days. Go out and get you one.